Hey, it's Rachel here with WTI, and this is my YETI sling for my Rambler.
This fits my large YETI Rambler perfectly, keeps it nice and secure, and it makes it so comfortable when I'm walking. I like this extra little sleeve that I can put credit cards or something small in it. The cosmic lilac color is really nice, and it matches my YETI Rambler perfectly. We all know the importance of staying hydrated, and I find that this sling helps me to take my water bottle wherever I'm going. It also helps me to remember it. I find that I lose my water bottle so often, and I like that I can just keep this on my body and it can take it wherever I need to go. These snaps are great because I can also attach it to my backpack if I don't want to use it over my shoulder. This sling is a really nice material. It's nice and soft, but at the same time, it's sturdy enough so it holds its shape to be able to hold my water bottle well. It's very comfortable while I'm wearing it, and I find that the strap is excellent quality.
Try this sling out. I think it's super. I find that helps me to drink a lot more water. I love it, and that's my point of view.